going to be replacing a battery on this HP Fortis 14G11. Tools needed will be screwdriver with a PZ00 head from the toolkit, spudger, and then angle-headed tweezers. And then this bracelet is to keep me grounded to help disperse static electricity. To start this off, you're gonna wanna remove the bottom screws. For this unit specifically, there are 3. Usually there are 9 screws. To start, you're gonna wanna unscrew those and then use a spudger to pop off the bottom cover slowly. And it should just pop right off. There are 4 screws keeping this battery in here, 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 and here. Before you even think of unscrewing those, you'll want to pop out the battery cable right here. This will disconnect it from the unit, preventing you from being shocked would anything go wrong. Then we'll just start slowly here. And then battery will just pop right out. To replace the battery, you'll grab your replacement, line it up with these 2 screw mounts here at the top. It'll just slide right in. Prongs here to help line up the battery. You'll then take your screws and return them to the screw mounts. Try not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the screw mount or even the palm rest that the battery is then sitting in. Once it's screwed back in, you'll then want to pop the battery cable back into the port. It does have little slits on the mount itself and the cable itself to help line it up. Always try to pull and push it out horizontally as to not damage any of the prongs within the battery port itself. And then with the bottom cover, you'll want to slide it backwards as so, and then press it until you hear a click. Well, the clicks mean each prong is in place, and then you'll want to tighten the screws. Now, to verify that it works, we will take a 45-watt AC adapter, plug it into the AC port right here. Open it. And it should come on automatically. You'll be able to verify that it worked down here, in the bottom right-hand corner, where the battery percentage will show, a battery icon will show, and a timer for its full charge will also show.